Hi, in this video I will show you how to verify your YouTube account. So process is pretty simple. So the way I will tell you about your verification of the YouTube account is give you features like upload the video with 15 minutes or more, or you can get the thumbnail feature. Moreover, you will also get a live stream feature. If you are looking for a verification badge like a blue tick with your YouTube channel, that require the 100,000 subscriber. So if you are clicking on this video to get the verification badge or the blue tick on your YouTube channel, then this video is not for you. This video is just about to how you can verify your YouTube channel. So if you are looking for this thing, then you can watch this video to the last, because I will give you a easiest way to verify your YouTube channel. So let's start the procedure. In this procedure, you don't need or have any kind of the limitation on the subscriber or the viewer, but by the verification, this will help you to grow your YouTube channel or to get more views on your YouTube channel. So let's start the procedure. So first of all, you have to open your channel and you have to be in your YouTube studio. Once you will here, you have to click on the settings from here and the page is loaded. Now you have to click on the channels from here, and in the channels you simply click on the features eligibility, and you will see these features already enabled. Default features like video upload, playlist creation, add collaborator to playlist, add a new video. This feature is by default, which is enabled, but if you want to enable more features, like you will see here, videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, appealing content ID claims. So by verifying your YouTube channel, you will get these features on your YouTube channel. So how you can avail this? If you will notice default feature enable, you will see a tick button here, but your YouTube will be verified with your phone number. Unfortunately, you will not verify your YouTube channel with your email. To do this, you have to verify with your phone number. So you have to simply click on the verify phone number and it will redirect you to the new page where you can simply verify your phone number with the YouTube. Other ways that you can simply open a new tab and you have to search for the youtube.com/verify. So once you will search for it, you will see this type of the page. So phone verification step 1 of 2. So how should we deliver the verification code to? They will send you a text message, or simply they will call you with automated voice message. So choice is you can select any according to your choice. So after that, you have to click on the select your country. Here you can select your country where you are living, and right now, to just give you an example, I select France, and here you have to enter your phone number, the active phone number that same is available in your phone, where you will get a code to verify your YouTube account. Once you will enter the phone number here, click on the get code and you will get a code on your SIM, and you have to enter that code here, and after that your YouTube channel will be verified and you will successfully get these features on your YouTube channel. So if you are looking for how you can verify your YouTube channel, you just follow these steps. After that, your YouTube channel will be verified. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.